Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome to the channel. If you're stopping by for your first time, hi, my name is Bena, and on this channel, I share delicious recipes and tips for eating and staying healthy. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Join the family. You're so welcome. So today, I am bringing you another delicious, easy, air fryer recipe. This time around, we are making this low carb air fryer biscuits. Now, if you're on any diet, be it keto or any sort of low carb diet, these are the biscuits you want to incorporate in your diet. They are super delicious and so addictive. I promise you, if you try them, you are going to keep on making them. And the one good thing about them is that they come together really quick and you can use them to meal prep. Now, come on in, let's jump right into the recipe. So for our ingredients, I have here some melted butter. This is unsalted. I did measure it at room temperature before melting it. I have some mozzarella cheese right here. You could use cheddar cheese. You could use any cheese that you would love in your biscuits. I have some almond flour right here, and I'm using the blanched almond flour. I have some sour cream. In here, I have some baking powder, Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt, pink salt. You can use the seasonings that you prefer, or you can leave it out totally. It's up to you. And I have some 2 large eggs over here. Now let's put this all together, guys. So to start, I'm going to pour my butter in there. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I'll also crack my eggs. Whisk this all together to combine. Set this aside. And in a separate bowl, I'm going to measure 1 cup of almond flour. To that, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. I'll mix properly to combine. Add the cheese. And then I'm going to bring back the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. I'll mix until it's properly combined. So this is how the mixture looks like. So right here I have my silicone muffin tins right here. I'm not sure. And there are 8 of them, 8 small ones. I'm just going to use this ice cream scoop to just scoop the batter and put it inside here. And at this point, I'm currently preheating my air fryer. And once it's preheated, I'm going to transfer the silicone molds into the air fryer. So I'm just going to line them up like so. So the air fryer has been preheated. I'm just going to gently transfer the biscuits in there. Just like so. So this is 12 minutes later. I'm just going to go in with a toothpick and just see how the biscuits are doing. I'll check to make sure. I'm just going to pop them back into the air fryer, so maybe for another 3 more minutes to make it 15, and then we'll see, because they are not very well done inside. So 3 more minutes on 320 and we'll see how it goes. Let's check on our biscuits. Ooh, look at that. It looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It looks so golden brown and so beautiful. I'm just going to let them cool down completely, and then I'll show you how they look like inside. They look so gorgeous already. It smells so good. Now let's check out muffins and see how they look like inside. Ooh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. It's so fluffy, so yummy. Let me just take a bite. Oh my goodness. Can you see this properly? So guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you get to try these low carb keto air fryer biscuits. They are so good, as you can see, and so easy to put together. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to hit that red subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any healthy, delicious recipes from me in the future. Until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.